Look at this machine tool light in my hands. Its model number is F9. The outer shell is made of aluminum alloy, which is sturdy and durable. The surface is anodized, and the light-emitting surface is made of high-strength tempered glass, which is highly impact-resistant, waterproof, oil-proof, explosion-proof, and corrosion-resistant. Protection level is IP67. There are two types of L-shaped mounting brackets, rotatable fixed brackets, and sliding brackets, suitable for various sizes of installation. The input voltage can be 24 volt or 220 volt. Suitable for lining for various machine tools. Next, let me light it up for you. Look forward to cooperating with you.
Oujie Lighting